Welcome back. I'm Jody Kautz, registered dietitian with the Optimal You Fitness Facility, with a few more tips for your heart health. Although heart disease may run in your family, there are many lifestyle changes which you can make to decrease your risks of heart disease. Listen to some of these suggestions for improving your heart health. Implement 2 or 3 of these suggestions in your life. Avoid excess fat. Most Americans only need 40 to 60 grams of fat each day. Eating extra fat can lead to extra weight gain, as fat is the most calorie-dense of all the nutrients. You can cut back on your fat intake by choosing foods which are lower in fat, such as low-fat dairy products or leaner cuts of meat. Avoid saturated or trans fats. Saturated and trans fats are a certain type of fat which is more likely to damage your cardiovascular system. Try to avoid saturated fat by limiting high-fat cuts of meat, bacon, or butter. Trans fat is often found in stick margarine and packaged baked goods. Read the label for details of your food's fat content. Increase fiber, especially with fruits and vegetables. Fiber, especially soluble fiber, can help lower your LDL or bad cholesterol, as well as help fill you up to promote weight loss. Increase your fruits, vegetables, beans, oats, and whole grains to increase your fiber intake. Fruits and vegetables also have additional phytonutrients which can help decrease your risks of heart disease. Cook with less fat. Many times the foods that we eat are naturally healthy, but then we add extra fat to them in the cooking process. Try to avoid frying or adding extra fat like butter, margarine, or oil to foods. Instead, use low-fat cooking methods like baking, steaming, grilling, or roasting to decrease the fat content. Increase omega-3s. These special fatty acids actually help with heart disease risk. Omega-3s are most commonly found in fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, herring, or trout, but can also be found in flaxseed, walnuts, or soybeans. Reduce sodium. Extra salt or sodium in your diet can elevate blood pressure. Avoiding extra salt at the table or while cooking. Some foods like frozen dinners, canned soups, and sausage also has too much sodium in it. Read the label to look for low-sodium foods. Exercise. Exercising your heart muscle helps reduce your risk of heart disease. Aim for 30 minutes, 5 days a week of exercise, which increases your heart rate to help benefit your health. So think it over. Choose a few of these suggestions to implement in your life. If you need more suggestions, contact me. But remember, living heart healthy is in your hands.